Yo, what is up guys? I just discovered a new way to jailbreak iOS 14.4 and there's a couple of ways you can do it now. One is with a wired connection on your computer and the other way is completely wireless and untethered, and obviously it's going to come directly with the Cydia app. And yeah, it's basically the original jailbreak. You can do everything that you normally would with a jailbreak. And yeah, there's a lot of tweaks I like. I recommend you guys check out Movie Box Pro. You can watch all the movies you want for free. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of really cool tweaks that you can do with jailbreaking, but I'm sure you guys already know that if you're on this video. Yeah, so the first step, this part is very important. You're gonna have to go into your settings app. You're gonna go down to the general tab. Then you're gonna go to the background app refresh. You're gonna tap on that, and you just wanna make sure that background app refresh is turned on because it needs to communicate in the background while you are installing the jailbreak. So once you have that turned on, what you're going to do is go on Safari and you're going to go on the website jailbreak.club. So once you're on jailbreak.club, basically it should look like this. All you have to do is hit the download button and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and basically you have to complete two of the options below to unlock the jailbreak install. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward, so make sure you read what it says. Like CoinMaster says to reach village level 3, NordVPN says to create a free account. So make sure you read what it says for each of these apps. And yeah, you just have to do two of them. You don't have to do the whole list, you just have to do two. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Once you're done doing both apps, all you have to do is boot off your device, reboot your device, and scroll to your last page, and you will find Cydia. The app has been added to your device, and from there you are fully jailbroken. From Cydia you can add all the other tools like Pangu and Uncover, so you can install other tweaks. I recommend you get To app, it's really good. But yeah, if you have any questions about this jailbreak, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you could like and subscribe to this channel, I would really appreciate it. It would mean a lot. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.